Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. Merry Christmas to you, and hopefully you'll have a Happy New Year as well. It is currently Christmas Eve, 2019. My outside thermometer says it's 37 degrees. Yesterday it got close to 52, so a good percentage of the snow is gone. There's more brown and green spots out there than there is snow, and it doesn't look like we're going to get any snow tonight, so it's going to be a brown, green, white Christmas. I was going through my emails, and I got one from New York State. They usually send me out a email when my vehicles need to be inspected and when my vehicles need to be registered. Well, what caught my eye in this email is the fact that two things caught my eye. The fact that the emails that I get from them, you can click on a link and find out if there's any recalls, which is great. Then below that, I got one that says, New York State offers 3 types of license documents, which I was aware of, because you have a regular license, you got a student license, and then you came out with a enhanced license, which means with us being here in New York State, Upper New York State, you have an enhanced. You don't need a passport to get over into Canada. You can use that driver's license to do that. Well, from what I see here, they've just expanded that. They now have an enhanced, they now have a real ID, and they also have a standard, the old standard ID. Well, under it says, if you have a standard license, you will not be allowed to board a domestic flight starting in October of next year. That means you can't get on an airplane anymore without an enhanced driver's license or a passport. So keep that in mind. A passport can be a pain in the butt to get, but an enhanced driver's license, almost the same. You don't have to send away for it. The passport you'll be able to use around the world. That's an advantage of that, because enhanced driver's licenses are going to help you if you go overseas. So that is a good idea to have that. But just to get on a plane to go to see for me to fly down to Georgia, if I don't have a passport or enhanced, I'm not going to be able to get on that flight. So, I'm bringing that up because I'm bringing it up. Keep that in mind. So, you got to get it done before October next year. Don't delay. Get a real ID or an enhanced today. Mine's good for 8 years once I get it. I paid I think it was $95 to get it. I'm not sure what the difference between the standard and the enhanced is, other than the fact that enhanced, you got to have documentation just like you do for a passport to get it. It was a social security number and your birth certificate. Now be careful of your birth certificates, because they can be, depending on where you get it, if it's stamped. My wife had to do something down there, and they wouldn't take the birth certificate that she had. So it may be a freaking very confusing situation. So you might want to go ahead and call down to DMV and have them explain exactly what they want before you go down there. So, all right. Well, again, Merry Christmas to you. Happy holidays. Have a safe one. and hopefully it's not too hectic. So again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and definitely share. We'll catch you on the next Crosby vlogs. And God bless.